There's a trap I see high-performing leaders fall into over and over again. They chase quick fix relief instead of transformation. Over the years of guiding successful entrepreneurs through emotional and spiritual crises, I've noticed something subtle but destructive. Most are offered coping tools when what they truly need is root-level change. It's like putting calming creams on a rash, when the real issue is deeper, internal, and even systemic. Surface-level tools soothe the symptoms, but real transformation happens at a DNA level. When we mistake soothing for healing, the consequences sneak up on us. Here's what I see in clients who've tried all the modalities but still feel stuck. They start to wonder, what's wrong with me? I'm a problem solver. I know how to get things done. Why don't I feel better? They feel worse after trying everything that was supposed to help. They quietly lose hope that real change is possible. It's not because they're uncommitted. It's because they've been circling the wound instead of confronting it. Healing isn't a stack of tools. It's a radical act of facing what you've been taught to avoid. The real work begins with a different question. Not what's the next healing tool I should try? The question really is, what would it look like to face the core wound directly? That's the moment transformation can begin. Not comfort, not quick fixes, only deep alignment with your true self beyond the noise. If you've tried everything and still feel off, it might be time to go deeper. Reach out if you're ready to stop circling and start transforming. Let's talk.